gentlemen. We've got to where we are today. I had fun for the first 2 minutes of that trade. It was a fun first 2 minutes. I will say that. It was a good time. I mean, you look back through the memories of that trade, us getting in on it and then losing extremely after. Okay. Yeah, losing just within 30 seconds of us trading that stock. So, what the heck just happened? What just happened on the day is I jumped in on Amazon, and I jumped in at the price. The price right now I jumped in was $2,885. Right when Amazon came on out, a huge red candle came on out. Immediately at this moment, power is off. Wind, storm outside, power's off. It was like a dramatic movie scene. Now, I want you guys to think. Whoever guesses the correct answer gets a free Deckmar Trades hoodie. How much money am I down right now? How much money am I down at this moment? For those who don't understand, guys, you might say, Deck, why are you getting so emotional? Because I take this serious, okay? I bought myself in on one share. I put myself in on one share, put him on the line, that one little guy I put out there to see again how much money we can make. And if you went long on Amazon with one share, you'd be down $200 right now. $275 is what I'm down. So Amazon came out with bad earnings, and I lost $200. So, what does this mean, traders? This means, sometimes putting your money out there and getting that one share, it's going to come back and haunt you. It's going to beat you in the ass. You know, sometimes you're working hard, you're getting everything right, and you say, man, time for me to go kick some rocks. The wife's about to leave me. The girlfriend's gone. I mean, the wife's already leaving when she found out I had a girlfriend. The kids are gone. The car is getting repoed. The house, I can't pay the mortgage. The recession is coming. I didn't want to end this video early, but it looks like this video is coming to an end. So whoever finds this, please give it to my parents. I love you guys. Thank you. Oh, jeez. All right, so, team, that is what has happened with our one share trade. Okay? Our one share trade has turned into an absolute bloodbath. Amazon, huge crack right here. Amazon, huge crack. Now, the big question is, what was Apple's? What was Apple's earnings right here? Did Apple come out with its earnings yet, or did they not even come out? Not yet. So Apple didn't come on out. All right, team. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking we go over to the E-Trade account, and we go ahead and we go to Apple, and we go ahead and we double up, and we say, let's buy 2 shares. And let's see what we get. We see what happens when we put the money on the line. We put it on the line sometimes. Don't say, Deck, you're getting too crazy. Don't say, Deck, you're out of control. Someone tie this man down. Put the ropes on him. Get the duct tape. You can't stop me. You can't. It's nuts. All right. Let's go ahead. Sometimes, again, at this point, you just got to go all in with it. Amazon, I went in with one share and it didn't work out. So I think we go with Apple, AAPL, and we make the comeback of a century. We make the absolutely stampede of a century right here. So, when does Apple's earnings come out? Apple's earnings comes out at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Am I correct with that? 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time? Traders. My vision that I just had was me again putting my vision that I just had was me buying one Amazon share, getting it correctly, just randomly guessing, the stock gapping up, making $400, throwing it on YouTube. My thumbnail was going to be buying one share of Amazon. How much money can you make? Those dreams are gone. So again, you know what we're going to have now? We're going to have new small account. Buying 2 shares of Apple. See what happens next. Restart this afternoon. $4:30 p.m. Let's see what we get. So no, team. For anyone that was just on a serious note, for anyone that just said, hey, Deck, what's going on here? What the heck just happened? Well, the answer is, guys, we went ahead and we bought 1 share of Amazon. We went ahead and we bought 1 share of Amazon. Looking to go ahead and be able to make that money, being able to make that cash, being able to make that profit. And we were seeing how much would one share of Amazon, how much would 1 share be able to pay out? And again, Amazon came out with a loss. So we actually ended up losing 200. What are we down right now? We are currently down $240. So we ended up taking a $240 loss because of Amazon right here. So, I mean, hey, I'm going to hold it for a little bit, though, because I think when Apple comes out, it's going to pop on up. I think I can get this thing down towards 175. So we did 1 share, and that was it, to see what would happen on 1 share. Zamboni, that 1 share paid out a beating. You guys may not see me tomorrow. I may not log in. All right, guys. So right now we're gonna start the entire thing over. All right, Apple. If Apple's done, I mean, let's see here. What's the SPY doing? Notice how the S&P 500 team is back on down to 424. Why is the S&P 500 back on down to 424? Because Amazon is dragging it down. Now, on a serious note, on a good note, okay? No joke right here, team. Why is Amazon being down a very good thing for us? Who can think of that answer? Why is Amazon being down a very good thing? Does anyone know? Does anyone remember? And what we want to, again, remember is Amazon team is coming out with a stock split, right? Amazon has been approved for a 20-to-1 stock split. This stock split, I believe, is going to be happening in May, right? Where they're going to be having a 21 for stock split in mid-April. We had it on Apple. We had one on Tesla. And I believe this is going to be coming out in May. So the thing is, guys, when we get over to the end of May, May 30th, Amazon is going to be dropping on down to the price of 20-to-1? So it's going to be down towards around $140 at this point. The lower Amazon goes, the more shares that we are going to be able to buy for that stock split. So Amazon's going to be all the way down towards $200, $190, and that's coming up in about a month and a half. We don't want Amazon up to $3,500 right now, because once again, that stock split happens, we want to be able to take control of it. Once that stock split happens, we want to go ahead and be able to make as much money as we can. So for a long-term, position, lower is better over on Amazon. For a long-term position, lower is better over on Amazon, which is, why we really don't mind this too much. Now, I know what everyone's going to say. I know what the Twitter haters are going to come out with today. I know, again, what all the people that, dislike me are going to come out and say, did you see Deck today? Did you see what that animal did? Huh? That guy's a fraud. That guy's a scammer. You know why? He bought one share of Amazon. He blew it all up. Someone go write a review on this guy. Get him out of here. Huh? You see that guy down $163 off that one share, and he's again leading a community? Not on my watch. Someone again write a mean review. Someone get on Yelp. I'll get someone, team. Someone today will say something. It happens every single day. Every single time you make one silly trade, you get someone out there on the internet. It's a crazy place out there. It's a crazy jungle. Right now, Amazon getting a little bit of a bounce back on up. I Get Trades letting us know again. Amazon, we have Tesla and Google. Shout out to you. Thank you so much. What do we have right here? Thank you so much. I appreciate it over on I Get Trades. Say 3 things to know about the Amazon stock split right now. We also have, again, will Tesla potentially have their stock split? And if Tesla has a stock split, they should be again having it. When? They should be having it, I believe, in August. And then we also have, when is the Google stock split right here? Google expected to have its stock split. I believe that's going to be on like July 4th. So Google, the stock split is set for July 15th. So yeah, Google's having their stock split July 15th. So we have Google July 15th. We have Amazon May 30th. And Tesla hasn't, again, voted on their stock split yet. But these are all big things coming on up. So we're still keeping our eyes peeled. All right, guys, we actually have about 5 minutes left here. 5 minutes left. Until we head on over towards that next opportunity. Yeah, A6104 says, hey, Deck, when Tesla has that stock split, that's going to be crazy. Everyone's going to want to buy in on it. I mean, yeah. A lot of people love Elon and a lot of people hate Elon. That's the thing about Elon. He's controversial a bit. I don't even think he was controversial. I feel like, again, like the media just made him controversial over like the past 2 days. Elon, he's just doing his thing. Guy just has so much money, he can do whatever he wants. Alex Vaughn, can we do a long/short position on AAPL? You guys got it. Let's do it. Let's take a little chat vote right here. Alex Vaughn, I like your style. We're going to take it a different route right here, team. All right? We're going a different route here today. We know right now, we're going to, again, let the chat room decide at this moment. We know Apple's coming out with their earnings. So let's just, again, type it on out right here. Let's go with AAPL earnings. What do you guys think is going to happen here? Right? What the chat room votes on, we're going for it, baby. Now, again, as you guys know, I don't like to gamble too much or anything, so we're going to keep it a little bit on the smaller side. But what the chat room votes on, we're getting after it. We have Apple's earnings coming out in 5 minutes. It's 4:25 at this moment. 4:30, Apple's earnings come on out. And I'm going to trust the chat. I'm going to trust Tradecaster.com right here. And I'm going to say what you guys vote on, we are pulling the trigger here. We are going to be putting in $1 million subtracted by about $999,996,000. We'll put in about like $3-4 grand. So, Apple's earnings. Are we going up or are we going on down? Everyone, cast your vote. Let's see what we have right here. If you guys are tuning in and saying, Deck, what the heck happened to you? We're just sitting here dripping in heat, baby. Getting ready for this next earnings report. Seeing, of course, what stock is going to rip and run. Shout out to Z-Lander. Shout out to Doc right there. Apple's earnings. Are we going up or are we going down? Let's take a chat vote right here at this moment, team. Don't you dare hit me with a 50-50 either. Right now at this time, we got 1,938. Come on. Let's get some clear-cut votes up in here, traders. What is currently going on here? If you guys put this out at 50-50, I'm honestly going to be mad at you. I think I still am mad at you. I feel like half the chat room is trying to do this on purpose at this point. I feel like, again, people are just... I am clicking the stop poll button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. $52.48. 52% of the chat room says it's going up. 52% of the chat room is going on up. All right. So team, I'm gonna break this one on down for you right here. 427 in the market. See what we got here. We're gonna get a little crazy. We're gonna get a little crazy again. We're gonna get a little wild. See, you get a little bit of hot action here over on this play. And let's see what we can do. If we go over to Apple right now, how much money can we make on Apple? How much money can we make on Apple off of an earnings report if we invest $1,000 into it? So that's going to be what, about 7? That's 1,000. Let's go with 6 right here. 6 shares. If we want to get in on about 6 shares at this moment, if we invested about $1,000 over in Apple, how much money can I get? How much money can I make? So we just got filled. Let's see what the magic answer is. Let's see again how much money we can profit on. Let's see again what we can do at this time. Let me change my shirt because I look ridiculous. Give me a second here. Hey Claire, have you seen my shirt? Have you folded them? All right, traders, ready? Here we go. Here we go, team. So at this time, here we go, traders. It is currently 4:29 in the market. We have 20 seconds until Apple comes out with their earnings report. And we want to ask a question. If I invest $1,000 over on Apple, how much money can I make or lose on this play? Right now, if you guys cannot see, I just jumped in over on Apple, got in at the price. My cost basis is $162. With 1,000 shares, how much money would Apple pay me if I'm correct with my train of thought? And right here, Apple, I'm currently, again, starting to make a little bit of cash right now. It looks like their earnings are coming on out, and it looks like Apple's earnings are going to be beat. So with a $1,000 investment, how much money can I make? And right now, currently up $37. What does it look like at this moment? It looks like I'm filling up a gas tank at this time. Looks like at this moment I'm taking out my girlfriend to Olive Garden. It looks like at this time, traders, I am going to be able to put down some sort of crazy parlay on DraftKings later on today. We got, again, some things happening. Apple. CNBC watching to see what's happening. Let's see if we can break above that 170 mark. So right now, Apple at this time, if we can break that 170 mark. Here is the news. It says Apple's earnings are out. Here are the numbers. So Apple's earnings are out. Here are the numbers at this time. Look at that young, happy fellow right there, right? Does anyone know who that is right there? Apple's earnings are out. Here are the numbers. For anyone who does not know, this is Bill Nye. Bill Nye, the science guy. Love, again, seeing that he's doing well. We have Apple reported earnings after the bell. Here are the results. The earnings per share was $152 versus what Wall Street expected, $143. Revenue was $97 billion compared to, again, $93 million. iPhone revenue was $47.8 billion. Service revenue was $19.72 billion. Other product revenue was $9.05 billion. Mac revenue, $9.25. So the thing is, we have beat Wall Street's expectations. The earnings per share was 152 compared to what they thought was 1.43, and revenue was 97.28, which again, Wall Street thought it was going to be 93.89. So at this time, we are currently up $25 on this $1,000 investment. And I'll hold this until tomorrow and see how much we're going to be up. Over again, a 12-hour stretch here. How much will Apple be able to move? And how much would we be able to get paid out off this $1,000 investment? So remember, team, this is only 6 shares. 6 shares that we threw in on this play. And those 6 shares actually were equivalent to about $997 exactly. So Apple did come out with positive earnings. And that should also, heads up, help bring up the market. This should help bring up the SPY, right? Taking a look over on Amazon. Amazon at this time may also get a little bit of a pop. Why would Amazon get a little bit of a pop on up? That's just because Amazon should pop if, Apple keeps on, let's say, moving, brings up the market. Even though Amazon has bad earnings, it should still get dragged up with it. So we want 1 for 2 here. 1 for 2 here, ladies and gentlemen. 1 for 2 isn't bad. Lost again on Amazon. I'm still holding that one little sign. I'm going to hold it till tomorrow. So lost on Amazon, lost $200. And then Apple isn't going to move most likely as much. But Apple, we are in the winning zone for right now. Let It Ride saying, Deck, these earnings are not good enough to save the markets. I gotcha. I mean, I do think overall the market's going to be fading. Overall, the market's going to be dropping on down. But I do think we could definitely see a gap up. I definitely think we could see, Apple, the SPY, Amazon, everything, Tesla have some sort of gap up. Let's see what Tesla's doing at this moment. Tesla's starting to move up. Why is Tesla starting to move up? Well, Apple just came out with good earnings. So I was just trying to have a little bit of fun with you guys, of course, at the end of the day here. Get it, nice and fun, entertaining. Just seeing, making a little experiment. Well, how much money can you make with $1,000 over on Apple? Because a lot of people obviously only have $1,000, and a lot of people always know about Apple. So how much money can you really make off these earnings? Let's find out. Let's see what we wake up with tomorrow. Kay Higgs for tomorrow saying, I think a pop at the morning bell tomorrow and then a big sell-off into the FOMC meeting next week. I definitely think that could be pretty good. I don't think that's a bad idea. Looking for maybe that pop tomorrow, then a big Friday sell-off. Fridays, we have seen like either huge green days or huge red days, both sides. PG, Deck, I bought 100 shares, $245, which makes my earnings playoffs, $47? Hey, there you go. So basically, PG03, out of all of earnings, you've won some, you've lost some, and you basically broke even. Hey, some people consider that a win. Some people consider that a win. If you played Netflix, Tesla, if you played Snapchat, if you played this and that, and you are again basically just even, hey, it could be way worse. Right now, we'll see what Apple's going to be able to do here. But Amazon, again, took the big hit. Amazon took the big hit today. And they're dropping. Now, that's only the 4th time in their 13 earnings that they've had anything negative. Apple, Apple was pretty clear cut. I mean, we already showed you guys this, but, when we were talking about Apple's earnings, this is what everyone expected, right? Apple's earnings, analysts across the board. Analysts expect strong growth across the board. There wasn't really anyone. There wasn't really any analytic company. There wasn't any Wall Street. There wasn't any firm. There wasn't any brokerage that said, oh, okay, Apple's going to have bad earnings. Everyone expected Apple to come out with good earnings here, which is why Apple's getting a nice little pop. Zamboni, how much do you think we'll get out of Apple? What do you guys think? Going into tomorrow by 9:30 in the morning. Okay, that's what we're going to go with. By 9:30 in the morning, how much money do you think we are going to be able to have in our accounts? Do you think we're going to be in the green, or do you think possibly we could be in the red? 9:30 tomorrow morning, where do we think Apple's going to be? How much money would I make off this $1,000 investment? Am I going to be up over $100? Or am I going to be even? Am I going to be at $20? Am I going to be back down to $0? Putting in this $1,000 investment, if we have the next 14 hours go by, where are we going to be at? I'm excited to see. I'm excited to see because I know so many people, of course, only have $1,000. I know so many people want to get involved in the stock market. And some people say, Deck, I have little amounts of money. I don't want to get involved in the stock market because I can't make that much trading blue chips, which is why I day trade, which is why I went with penny stocks when I first started. But let's see, if you put in $1,000, how much can you get paid out within, again, a 14, 15-hour span? I would say I could get up towards like $75. I think. I would say I could get up towards around like $75, I think. But it's a neat little experiment. Does anyone have any questions, comments, or concerns for me? Guys, any sort of questions, comments, or concerns? I deeply apologize about my power going out there for a second. It is kind of crazy weather here at this moment, but I know, again, my power went out right for that second. Today was a fun day. Got some live trades in. We did a live trade where we took it really serious with, again, the dip buy and the bounce play. That was off of the number one top gainer of the day today. What was our, again, perfect dip buy? That was off of I'm finding it. I'm not looking. IDAI. That's what we were looking at. Remember, guys? IDAI. We had a perfect bounce play on that stock today. We went with 1 share on Amazon, and we end up taking a loss, and we've gone so far on 6 shares. 6 shares over on Apple. And we're going to see how much we wake up with tomorrow. Alex, boss, next Feds meeting. I think the next Feds meeting, please correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it is the 17th and 18th of May. It's always on a Tuesday and Wednesday. It'll either be on the 10th and 11th or the 17th or 18th of May. That's when, again, interest rates will be raised. I believe the next meeting probably would be the 17th and 18th, but there's a chance it could be the 10th and 11th. Sequin, what do you recommend for best free charting website? Most people use TradingView.com. So TradingView.com if you want to track. Also, a little side note, so I just want to throw this out there. TradingView.com is one of the most popular websites for, again, charting, but we actually integrated that right over on TradeCaster, so you guys have that. A lot of people kind of just scroll past this chart every single day and don't realize that this chart right here over on TradeCaster is interactive. If you guys want to, you guys can go ahead and look at Apple and click it right here, change it over to candles. You guys can add your different indicators. You could say, okay, I want to put in my moving averages. Put my moving average right here, put my moving average right here. Go ahead, edit this. Change this out to, again, the 200-day moving average. Go to color, put this in red. Visibility, good. Make it nice and thick. Boom, doom, da. And again, you can see the 200-day moving average over on Apple. If you want to change this and say, all right, Deck, I want to go ahead and take a look over on Tesla. You guys can change this and go over to Tesla. Check that on out right there. Also, a little side note, if you guys want to make this a little bit bigger, you guys can go to Edit Lobby, right? Edit your layout right here. When you guys click Edit Layout, if you guys want to, go ahead, get rid of anything else that you guys don't like that you guys are currently looking at. You can say, hey, Deck, all I want to do is put, again, the chat room at the bottom of the screen. There we go. Put the chat room, drag it across the bottom, make the live stream right on the top. And then on top of that, I just want to make this chart as big as possible. Now, guess what? Where can you do all your charting? Deck, I'm going to do all my charting right on TradeCaster.com. I'm going to, again, have the live stream right here. And then I'm going to put the chat underneath the live stream. You can do that. If you want to, you can also, again, put the graph right here. Let's, again, minimize the chat here. Make it a little bit more. Put it on this side now. So if we grab this and scroll it on up, we can throw it over there. And look at what we're doing now. All right, cool. Now we're going to put the chat room right here, put the graph right here, and now have the live stream underneath it. Chat room, live charting, and then, graph. You guys can customize this any way that you guys want. Little heads up. I know some people, again, don't even realize that. You guys can customize this any way that you guys would like so that you guys can have the best experience possible. So you guys can change anything, make anything the way you want, adjust anything that you guys need. Just click Edit Layout right on the top. But you can use, again, TradingView, or you guys can go ahead and use stockcharts.com. Apple needs to get above 170. Apple needs to get above 170 to start really getting some hype here. If it can get above 170, that's where we'll start seeing a little bit more momentum, a little bit more action. Yep, and then you just click personal layout. Absolutely. Pendragon saying, Deck, your live stream's a little blurry for me right now. All you guys got to do if you ever get a blurry live stream is click this HD button, bottom right-hand corner. HD. Most likely you're sitting on toaster status with a 144 and you say, Deck, I can't see anything at all. Is it my contacts or is it my glasses? It's neither, baby. All you guys got to do is bump it on up to 1080 HD and now you're sitting here crystal clear. You guys can see so deep inside my eyes, it's getting violating at this moment. Absolutely. Right now we got our $1,000 investment over on Apple. Apple's starting to drop back on down here a little bit. J. Rob says, I've been building an Apple investment, right? Building an Apple investment since I've been 27 years old, sitting again at with 270 shares. So J. Rob, that's awesome. Building it on up, building it on up, building it on up. 270 shares. That's growing. That's getting up there. Keep compounding it over and over and over again. Right now, these are, again, strict shares. This is not an options trade. This is, again, just strict shares. Right now, we'll keep our eyes over on Apple. But, team, hey, it is currently 4:43 in this market. This whole entire week has just been so much fun, guys. Every single time I've been on the live stream, I've just been having an absolute ball. And that's from, again, live trading in the mornings to doing our strategy week. This strategy week, we have gone onto an hour-long lesson every single day, from dip buying, from shorting, from pre-market trading to long-term investments. We have done about 4 hours of just non-stop lessons. Today, we had a great dip buy trade. AK47 has been going live. Active Trader's been going live. Living Like Matt's been going live. We've had Pack-a-Punch Juan trades. Mom DeLorean's going live. First, again, Woman Trader on Tradecaster. Then on top of that team, we got tomorrow, the final finale, baby. The final bit of the week. Also, great news if you guys are, let's say, not a fan of earnings season. If you guys are saying, Deck, I'm not a fan of earnings season is over. Earnings season is a thing in the past. We had a good, fun run, but earnings season is coming down to the end right here. So traders, everyone here, let's clap it up. Everyone clap it up right now. You guys, again, did absolutely fantastic this week. I'm so proud for everyone making those nice big gains. And let's see what's going to be, of course, getting that nice big breakout tomorrow. Let's see where we're at tomorrow. Tomorrow, team, we are going to wake up, wait until 9:30. And we'll see how much this position has grown. $1,000 over in Apple. Right now it's 4:45, so we're about 45 minutes into, again, after hours. And let's get ready. We'll see where we're at when we wake up tomorrow morning. Hey, have a wonderful rest of your day, everyone. Get on over here, Tradecaster.com. And again, thank you for everyone who joined us over on YouTube. Traders, the live stream will stay up for a little bit. You guys, again, are all set, ready to rock. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email deckmartrades@gmail.com. We're going to go off with a song right here that I played for my girlfriend on the very first date. The song that I fell in love with her. And this is the song that I want to walk down my with my wedding for. This is that song, and the reason why I'm playing it right now is just because I just had so much fun and have so much joy. It reminds me of her today. So shout out to you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much. Have a good one, team. Thank you.
Something new. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how Rough Riders roll. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no, that's how Rough Riders roll. Niggas wanna try, niggas wanna lie, niggas wonder why, niggas wanna die. All I know is pain, all I feel is rain. How can I maintain with that? medicine on my brain. I resort to violence, my niggas moving silence. Like you don't know what our style is. New York niggas the wildest. My niggas is with it. You want it? Come and get it. Took it, then we split it. Right, we did it. What the fuck you gon' do when we run up on you? Fucking with the wrong crew. Don't know what we going through. I might have to show chicken. How easily we blow chicken. Let me find out it's some more chicken. That's running with young chicken. Nothing we can't handle. Break it up.
I mean, I can't even play the clean version of the song. It sounds like I'm driving through a tunnel in a 1968 Malibu Shelby. Can't even get a connection, it sounds like. Gonna throw on a new song here, team. All right, give it a second. Jeez. Hey, can we get a DJ up in here that knows exactly what they're doing? Because this day absolutely stinks.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Woo. Let's get it on. Ah, baby. Let's get it on. Let's love, baby. Let's get it on. Sugar, let's get it on. Ooh, we're all sensitive people with so much to give. Understand me, sugar. Since we got to be here, let's live. I love you. There's nothing wrong with me loving you, baby, no, no. And giving yourself to me can never be wrong if the love is true. Oh, baby. Don't you know how sweet and wonderful life can be? I'm asking you, baby, to get it on with me. I ain't gonna worry. I ain't gonna push. Won't push you, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Stop being around the fools. Hey, let's get it on. Get it on. You know what I'm talking about. Come on, baby. Hey, hey, let your love come out. If you believe in love, let's get it on. Ooh, let's get it on, baby. This minute, oh yeah, let's get it on. Please get it on. Come on, come on,
Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock to my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match.
Buffalo soldier, red like Rasta. It was a buffalo soldier in the heart of America.
Cause I know what that girl them need. New York to Haiti. I got lipstick stamps for my passport. You make it hard to live. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but you really don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk dirty to me.
I might link my ting from walking 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning. She's drawing, stalling. I might link my ting from walking 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning. She's drawing.
Talk dirty to me.
There are places I remember all my life, though some have changed forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain.
A side step right left to my beat. I let the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me shake your pocket shit. Side step right left to my beat. Can't let it go.
Places have their moments when lovers and friends I still can recall. Some are dead and some are living.
You're not that guy, pal, trust me.
Cause she's so high above me. She's so lovely. She's so high. I can't love me.
We don't do the same drugs no more. We don't do the same drugs, no more. Cause she don't do the same drugs no more. We don't do the same drugs no more. I get it until the sunrise. Going 90 and a 65. Windows roll down screaming now. Number one hustler getting money. Why you wanna count my money? I'm a hustler, don't need that one of y'all, you see. Cause we don't do the same drugs no more. We don't do the same drugs no more. She don't laugh the same way no more. We don't do the same. I'm a hustler, don't need man, one of y'all, you see.
She take my dinero, take my dinero. She take my dinero, take my dinero. She playing hella hard, playing for pesos. She playing hella hard, playing for pesos.
That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. That's just the way it is. Oh yeah.
It's time. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Everything will be alright. You keep me next to you. You don't know about me, but I bet you want to. Everything will be alright if we just keep dancing like we.
Shanti and me.
So when you're gonna tell her that we did that too, she thinks it's special, but it's all reused. That was our place. I found it first. I made the jokes you tell to her when she's with you. Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu? Do you get deja vu?
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna come if I take it this far. She gon' do the race, just not this one. Love is a game you used to chip on. When I was down to talk, you went in for.
Baby, hit that back and burn. Fall for her. The guy using her to lean and working. Close the window, hands right under your skirt. Take off, hit the curve. To lean and working.
Keep reaching, and I'll keep coming back. If you gone for good, then I'm okay with that. If you leave the lead on, I'll leave the lead on.
Come on, Eileen, oh, I swear. Oh, come on, let's take off everything. Yeah, pretty you I dress, Eileen. Oh, come on, let's. Oh, come on, Eileen.
I can find it, there's no other way, and I'm still dancing the end of the day. If you leave the lead on, I'll leave the lead on.
Come on, Eileen, oh, I swear.
I'll leave the lead on.
Take off everything. Yeah, pretty you I dress, Eileen.
I'll leave the lead on.
Hi, Jimmy's mom.
Come on, Eileen.
I don't know why I went run away. I'll make you cry when I run away. Take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. See your tears for another. Save your tears for another day.
Who's gonna save the world tonight? Who's gonna bring it back to life? We gonna make it, you and I. We're gonna save the world tonight.
Alright, bottles on me, long as someone drank it. Never drop the ball, fuck it y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove, tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I can teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known.
Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walk out my life?
Well, woman, the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Oh, oh. girl, I
Feel like this every time. All these days it feel like me.
then girl, I
Every kind of me.
Still fly for you. And just like that, all of me, all of you, you are all of me. I'm there, just like that, all of me, all of you, you are all of me. No one can lift me, catch me the way that you do. Still flying for you.
When darkness turns to light, it ends tonight, it ends tonight. Just a little insight won't make this right. It's too late to fight, it ends tonight.
I got my peaches out in Georgia, oh yeah shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I told my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah that's it. I got my peaches out in Georgia, oh yeah shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I told my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah.
What the fuck, Richard?
Billy Jackson, got my hair do the dance. Whoa, wanna be free and I feel the way I feel. Man, I feel like a woman.
You gotta spend some time, love. You gotta spend some time with me. And I know that you'll find love. I will possess your heart.
Let me hold you, crystal body. You got me going crazy. Turn me on. Let me jam you, around me. You got me going crazy. Turn me on.
I will possess your heart.
Now that she's back in the atmosphere with drops of Jupiter in her head. She acts like summer and walks like rain. Reminds me that there's time to change.
I can't seem to say goodbye. Ooh. When I try to fall back, I fall back to you. When I talk to my friends, I talk about you. When the Hennessy's strong, all I see is you. It's you, it's you.
But tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it through the Milky Way to see the lights all faded? And that heaven's overrated. Tell me, did you fall for a shooting star? One without a permanent sky would make you miss sleep while you were.
Natty Vodka sound, bitch.
You don't need no reason why. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not forever. Maybe the night will change us. Maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away. Maybe you'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason why.
Oh, these ancient skies, I've had these wandering eyes, but you took me by surprise when you let me inside you. Inside you, inside you. There's got to be some part of me
inside you.
I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over.
I was smoking cigarettes on patios. I was drinking beer with my friend. I was trying to boogie down the night. Vodka with the Sprite, here we go again. I was smoking cigarettes on patio. I was throwing money in the air. Maybe I should pick that shit back up. Bet my night on love, here we go again. Hey, hey, Cody got me tripping. Got the move, walk a roof in his head. Ice, lemonade by never tripping. Ice, lemonade by never tripping. Cody got me tripping. Got the move, walk a roof in his head. Ice, lemonade by never tripping. Ice, lemonade by never tripping.
Pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
I like us better when we're wasted. It makes it easier to think. The only time we really talk is when our clothes are coming off. I like us better when we're wasted.
It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Still, no matter where I go, at the end of every road, you were good to me. You were good to me, yeah.
We could have had it all. Floating in the deep. You had my heart inside. And you played it to the beat.
Here's a situation into every nation. Nobody's ever made me feel the way that you do. You know my motivation, given my reputation. Please excuse me, I don't mean to be rude, but tonight I'm fucking you.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good
Remember when my first meal was school lunch? Now I spit a 16 straight with no punch. Remember all the dinner, all we ate was Captain Crunch. Now we roll big blunts on the way to brunch. But from good fella to commissary slips. Now I got back up, man, every time I slept. Remember back then, man, we thought we grow up. Rushing at the kids just to be grown up.
Boy, I think about it every night, day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough.
This is the rhythm of the night. The night. Oh yeah. This is the rhythm of my life. My life. Oh yeah. The rhythm of my life.
Boy, I think about it every night, day. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
Brother, this guy stinks!
know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us. Instead of greeting, we get tricked. Instead of kisses, we get kissed.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up.
Oh, you're imagining I can do the same. Oh, I love this. La 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 la. Oh, you're imagining I can do the same. Oh, I love this. La 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 la. All on my tongue, I want it.
Come, break me down, marry me, marry me. I am finished with you.
I came here for love, for someone to hold me down. I won't give it up, no. I want you to reach out. I came here for love.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you something I think you'll understand. And I say that something I wanna hold your hand. Today's gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now, about you now. Because maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my one to
Oh, you can try to get on my skin. What he's all night. Get on my skin. Breeze, you know, lady, that you can get onto my skin. 'Cause I don't let you in.
baby, you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my one to
I'm not at the beach, it's a bathtub.
But ain't nobody gonna love you back. But ain't nobody gonna love you better.
so many eyes, so fading your truth. Baby, I wanna keep it close to you. Hold me under the way you do. Tonight I want to know you. 'Cause I'm in too deep and I'm trying to keep up above in my head instead of going under. 'Cause I'm in too deep and I'm trying to keep up above in my head instead of going under.
You'll be together through the days and nights. I don't worry 'cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking, they can say what they like, but all I know is everything's gonna be alright. No one, no one, no one get away from what I'm feeling. No one, no one, no one.
All my Southside niggas that know me best, I feel like me and Taylor might still have sex. Why? I made that bitch famous. I made that bitch famous. For all the girls that got kicked from Kanye West. If you see him in the streets, give him Kanye's best. Why? They mad they ain't famous. They mad they still nameless.
I be Puerto Rican, they parade floating. That means Marina Del Rey coasting. She in school to be a real estate agent. Last month I helped her with the car payment. Young and we alive, we never gonna die. I just got to take a fly with personal debt. Put one up in the sky.
And there will come a time when we're slowing down. We'll hold on to memories. Till then, let's vex and hold it down. I love when you're telling me. One day, we'll think of these moments. 'Cause I'm just like this in just a little thing.
You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. Falling from right to side, falling into your ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes.
The bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm going mine, 'cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's not where I come from, the only thing we know is
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work.
You are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone.
It's just another manic Monday. Wish it was Sunday. That's my Monday. I don't have to run day. It's just another magic Monday.
You're the only good I've
It's
ever.
just another manic Monday.
If it's not you, it's not anyone.
It's just another manic Monday.
I wanna feel you on. Time to impress. Come and blow my bed. Don't be shy, feel your bed. It's all in my head. Time to impress. Come and hide in my bed. Don't be shy till you're dead. It's all in my head.
Our love was lost, but now we found. Yeah, and if you flush your heart, now. Yeah.
let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here.
A moment of love, a dream, a laugh, a kiss, a cry, our rights, our wrongs. A moment of love, a dream, a laugh, a moment of love. Wow, what a hole.
Baby, I got your back like we're still 17. I'm gonna fight for you. You know where I'll be. Baby, I got your back like we're still 17. I'm gonna fight for you, honey. I'm so keen. Baby, I got your back like we're still 17.
I don't do fake love, but I'll take some from you tonight. I know I've got to go, but I might just miss the flight. I can't stay forever, let's play pretend and treat this night like it'll happen again. You'll be my bloody Valentine.
Cause we belong together now. Forever united here somehow. You got a piece of me. And honestly, my life wouldn't stop without you.
just part of my manners. Girl, how you shake it, got a nigga like it's a Kodak moment. Let me throw on the camera. All I wanna know is.
Cause she's bittersweet, she knocks me off of my feet, and I can't understand why I don't want anyone else. She's a mystery, she's too much for me, but I keep coming back for more. She's just the girl I'm looking for. This girl is on fire. She's just the girl I'm looking for. She's walking on fire. She's just the girl I'm looking for. This girl is on fire. She's just the girl I'm looking for. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion, trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I've said too much. I haven't said enough.
Pull up in a monster with all my field gangster. With a bad bitch that came from Sri Lanka. Yeah, I'm in a tanga, color of Willy Wonka. You could be the king, but watch the queen. Okay, first things first, I'll eat your brain. Then I'ma start rocking gold feet and fame. Cause that's what a motherfucking monster do. Be a dresser from Milan, that's the monster do. Monster is every heel, that's the monster show. Young Money is a roster and a monster crow. Then I pull up in the bank with a funny face. And if I'm fake, I ain't know that's my money. Pink wig, kick ass, give 'em whiplash. I think big, get cash, make 'em blink fast. Like, look at what you just saw. This is what you live for. I'm a motherfucking monster!
Oh, and the sun will set for you. The sun will set for you. And the shadow of the day will embrace the world in gray. And the sun will set for you. Why you gotta be so heartless? I know you think it's heartless. You're tearing me apart, and through the hardest part is you're so high on attention, taking my soul inches. Leave me in the darkness, never finish what we started. Girl, why you gotta be so heartless? Why you gotta be so heartless? Why you gotta be so heartless? Girl, why you gotta be so heartless?
I want Iguodala.
Baby, I've been waiting for you. 'Cause I don't know what else I can do. Don't tell me I've been out of time. If it takes the rest of my life.
Yeah, I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really wanna zig a zig. I wanna really, really, really wanna zig a zig.
Let's get down to business. at this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down, let's get down.
I wanna really, really, really wanna take it.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. It's been a million nights just like this. So let's get down.
I wanna really, really, really wanna take it.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes too quick. Guess it's gonna tonight. Guess it's gonna chill tonight. Guess it's going down tonight. Gotta go close my eyes tonight.
You better not.
Trouble it might drag you down. You get lost, you can always be found. Just know you're not alone. 'Cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
That's why I need one dance, got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go, higher powers taking my hold on me. I need one dance, got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go, higher powers taking my hold on me.
Just know you're not alone. 'Cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
That's why I need one dance, got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go, higher powers taking my hold on me.
I know that we haven't met, but I know your vibe. Are we skipping a step? Cause I really don't mind. It's like you've been in my bed a couple thousand times. Now we're at it again, we're at it again. I know that we haven't met,
but I know your vibe. Are we skipping a step? Cause I really don't mind. It's like you've been in my bed a couple thousand times. Now we're at it again, for the very first time. Lights go out and I can't be seen. Tides that I tried to swim against pulled me down upon my knees. Oh, I beg and please, singing.
Now walk it out, 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 now walk it out. Now west side walk it out, south side walk it out, east side walk it out, north side walk it out. Now walk it out, 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 now walk it out. Now west side walk it out, south side walk it out, east side walk it out, north side walk it out. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
Do it again now.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
I said I had Jesse's girl. I always said I had Jesse's girl. Where can I find a woman like that, like Jesse's girl? I always said I had Jesse's girl.
Baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
I said I had Jesse's girl.
She never loved me in the morning. She only owed me on a Friday night. Like skinny dipping in the ocean. Won't show anyone what's on her mind. So what's in your mind, girl? Besides all this wine, girl, am I just a night girl, night girl? Gold you down when we're older, make love when we're sober. But if I know her, she loves sex, but she don't really love love. She loved me until she get enough. A cigarette is all she hold on to. She loves sex, but she don't really love love love. She loves sex, but she don't really love love love. She loves sex, but she don't really love love love. She don't love, she don't love, she don't love. Oh, she don't love, she don't love, she don't love.
Kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me. Don't show up at my house. Oh, I've been your feelings don't hurt me. Round and round. Kiss me now, don't kiss me right now. On your lips, just leave it.
She would get down to somebody I know. I guess that's just how it goes when you break up in a small town. I see our friends and they put on a show like they don't want me to know, so they give me the go around. There's only so many streets, so many lights. I swear it's like I can't even leave my house. Should've known all along you gotta move on when you break up in a small town. Sound.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing that na 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 every day. My eyeballs don't play. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing that
song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long.
You show the lights that stop me, turn to stone. You shine it when I'm alone, and so I tell myself that I'll be strong. And dreaming when they're gone.
I got food, one for the plug and one for the load. I got food, one for the beaches and one for the dough. They got these food, line popping up, ring, ring, ring. I'm honey, ring, ring, ring.
'Cause they're calling, calling, calling me home. Calling, calling, calling home. You show the lights that stop me, turn to stone. You shine me when I'm alone.
If this night is not forever, at least we are together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone. Anywhere, whenever, apart but still together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone.
She said, you're a player, aren't you? And I bet you got hoes. I said, you don't know me like that. I just go with the flow. She said,
Take a shower and shine your shoes. You got no time to lose. You're a young man, you must be living. So take a shower and shine your shoes. You got no time to lose. You're a young man, you must be living. Go now, you are forgiven.
you're a player, aren't you?
You're a young man, you must be living.
And I bet you got hoes.